These are not modern Christians that the Lord takes to heaven. Not at all.
Sellised kirikud ei lähe ülesse, kes lähevad ainult sellest heaolust ja rahast ja asjad.
These are holy Christians, not modern, holy.
Jeesus võtab, Jumal võtab ära pühad kristlased.
And he is saying
Need, kes on pühad.
that these Christians, number one,
Need kristlased number 1.
they have realized that the world is not their home, so they are deliberately separated from the world.
Nad on eesmärgi kohaselt meelega ennast maailmast eemaldunud, sellist tüüpi kristlased.
Number two,
Number 2.
they have realized that their home is heaven.
Ja nad saavad aru, et nende kodu on
So they are
taevas.
constantly focused on the coming of the Messiah from heaven.
Sellised kristlased vaatavad kogu aeg pidevalt taevasse ja ootavad seda tagasitulekut.
Hallelujah.
Halleluuja!